All right, y'all, a quick update on Bitcoin for those who can't sit through a long stream. So we've come up to resistance. Currently, this is an area where we should be looking for shorts. The reason we rejected from where we did is because we filled some single prints right up here, got a little rejection. So what am I looking for to take a short trade up here? There's a few things. Number one, and the juiciest thing that we could possibly look for is simply let's put on some very local TA here, would be something like this. We come down, bounce off this golden pocket, or maybe come down to the naked session point of control / VWAP, get a move to the upside, come above this previous high here, possibly fill these single prints or hit that daily level with a bearish divergence on the 12-minute time frame, money flow and momentum coming down. Very, very easy entry. Second thing that we could do right here is, potentially we could be looking at order flow and see that we already do have some bearish CVD forming here, right? As we're putting in the lower lows, the CVD is making higher lows. So, that's obviously not as obvious as an entry, but still, if we continue to put in lower lows and CVD is getting higher, and we see open interest increase, and we see a lot of people trying to long, and the price isn't going up, well, then we could have a pretty good idea that we could come down from there. So those are the two main ways I'm going to be looking for shorts up here. Again, just very, very locally. It wouldn't surprise me if we do something like that. I'll be looking for bullish dips there, or if we do something like this to the naked session point of control. We could put on the market cipher SR and see that pretty much the VWAP's coming in right at this naked session point of control. So that would be actually a pretty nice area to be looking for a long right here locally, and then be looking for a short once we come up above this area. Now, if we go back to a higher term time frame, we can see that along the way down, we do have some nice confluences, okay? So first of all, we have this we have these single prints that we had over here between 29,750 and 29,990, where we have the 382 retracement also coming in literally as soon as those single prints get filled. That is an area to be aware of. And then we have this box of local support down here, 28.5 to 29.1. If we are going to, if this is a legitimate bottom here, which I think it's possible that it is, okay? If it is, then I would definitely be looking to long this box here because there's a lot of support. First of all, we do have the naked session point of control. We have a previous day point of control right there. We have a CME gap that will be filled right above a daily level and another naked session point of control. And then, of course, we have the golden pocket in here as well, right? We have the golden pocket in here from this low to this high up here. Now, just also be aware that we have another golden pocket from this low to the high, and that golden pocket's coming in a little bit higher, okay? A little bit higher. So just be aware that there are multiple levels that we need to be aware of. So because this golden pocket is a little bit higher, this is a little bit tricky. It's not as clear, cut, and dry, but I mean, obviously the point of control is an area where I would look to take a long because we have that confluence of a golden pocket, right? And we could even fudge the golden pocket to make it line up perfectly with the point of control. And so just be aware that this is definitely an area to be looking for a long trade if we happen to come down, lose the 382. So, in an ideal world, this is what I would be looking for and hoping for today, something like this. And then we come down, fill these single prints, get a little bounce, and then maybe come down into one of these zones, be looking here and be looking here for the bullish divergences. Obviously, the juiciest level that we really want to be looking for is the daily down here at 28.5, right? That daily level, confluence with the value area low, confluence with the macro 618, confluence with the CME gap. This is the juiciest area, but we have to be aware that we could also bounce from these areas. Now, if we lose this whole box, then obviously we would look back to this untapped area, at least on the Bybit inverse perpetual, where we have the golden pocket and a naked daily point of control. potential chickens drinking water from here. And then we have our levels to the downside also, where I will be looking for trades. Now, if we do break out of here, okay, just be aware that this whole box is resistance, including taking out this high right here for potential chickens drinking water. But the next major area of resistance we have is going to be this box, where we have the value area high of the larger move to the downside. We have the a TPO up here from a long time ago. We have a 786, and also we have this chickens drinking water potential, right, where we just come up and grab this and then get a move to the downside. So that's pretty much in a nutshell what I'm looking at for this day. And I know it gets a little sloppy down here, but if for me today, I don't know how much time. I'm probably not going to spend a lot of time on the charts, but I'm going to set alerts when we come down to this golden pocket right here at 29,399 to the point of control. And I'm going to set alert when we come down to this naked session plus previous day point of control. And then obviously I'll have an alert down here at the CME gap to let me know we're coming down to this area. So that's kind of it for today, y'all. God bless. And if you observe a holiday today, I hope you enjoy. Peace.